everyone, welcome to CUET Current Affairs episode. Let's start today's episode. First question is, in which state is Ratapani Tiger Reserve located? Option A, Maharashtra. Option B, Madhya Pradesh. Option C, Uttarakhand. Option D, Assam. The correct answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh. Recently, Ratapani Tiger Reserve has been notified as the 57th Tiger Reserve in India. It is located in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Next question is, when is International Cheetah Day celebrated? Option A, 30 November. Option B, 1 December. Option C, 4 December. Option D, 10 December. The correct answer is option C, 4 December. International Cheetah Day is celebrated annually on the 4th of December. Next question is, how many Shikara were initially included in the Uber Shikara fleet? Option A, 5. Option B, 7. Option C, 10. Option D, 12. The correct answer is option B. 7 Uber Shikara allows users to book traditional Shikara rides on Dal Lake via the Uber app. The service started with an initial fleet of 7 Shikara. Next question is, what is the expected target for mobilizing rural households under Day-NRLM by the end of the financial year 2023-24? Option A, 10 crores. Option B, 9 crores. Option C, 8 crores. Option D, 11 crores. The correct answer is option A, 10 crores. The mission aims to mobilize a total of 10 crore rural households into SHGs by the end of the financial year 2023-24. Next question is, what type of rocket will be used to launch the Proba-3 mission? Option A, GSLV Mark III. Option B, Ariane 5. Option C, Falcon 9. Option D, PSLV XL. The correct answer is option D, PSLV XL. The Proba-3 mission will be launched using the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, PSLV XLA. Next question is, which disease has recently been declared a notifiable disease by the Indian government? Option A, malaria. Option B, tuberculosis. Option C, snakebite. Option D, dengue. The correct answer is option C, snakebite. The Indian government has declared snakebite as a notifiable disease to improve reporting and management. Next question is, which organization or group conducted the study confirming the cause of the elephant die-off in Botswana? Option A, World Wildlife Fund. Option B, University of Massachusetts. Amherst. Option C, International Union for Conservation of Nature. Option D, Wildlife Conservation Society. The correct answer is option D, Wildlife Conservation Society. The study was conducted by researchers associated with the Wildlife Conservation Society. Next question is, which government department is responsible for implementing the Sugamya Bharat Abhiyan? Option A, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Option B, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Option C, Ministry of Education. Option D, Ministry of Urban Development. The correct answer is option B, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. The Sugamya Bharat Abhiyan is implemented by the Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities. Next question is, which existing initiative is the Ashraya Centre modelled after? Option A, Drishti Centres. Option B, Akshaya Centres. Option C, Agro Service Centres. Option D, Karshika Karma Sena. The correct answer is option B, Akshaya Centres. The Ashraya Centres are modelled after the successful Akshaya Centres, which provide essential digital services to the public. Last question is, which famous author first used the term brain rot? Option A, Henry David Thoreau. Option B, Mark Twain. Option C, Ralph Waldo Emerson. Option D, Emily Dickinson. The correct answer is option A, Henry David Thoreau. The term was first documented by Henry David Thoreau in his work Walden in 1854. Now it's time for practice question. What is the estimated cost of the approved deal for equipment and support systems for the MH-60R helicopters? Option A, $500 million. Option B, $3 billion. Option C, $1.17 billion. Or option D, $2 billion. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.